Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss another important topic related to freelancing, and I think it will help you guys the most in the journey of your success. The topic is, most of times you can see that we have already opened our Fiverr account, but when someone or some client searches the gig but it doesn't show online. There are several issues. That's why our gig is not being shown. We will discuss all these issues and how can we check that our gigs are showing online to all the clients that are present on Fiverr or not. We will discuss each and everything here. So without wasting your time, we can move on the screen. Here you can see that this is our Fiverr screen where we have to search the some keyword tags related to our Fiverr services. For example, if we are offering web development services, the client we have to search the tags related to web development. Means if he is specific in the technology, he will search like a React.js developer or React.js, or he can search responsive React.js websites and many more things. We have to analyze what type of tags our client can search. But most important thing here is that as we are freelancer and we are doing freelancing on Fiverr, we have to make sure that our Fiverr gig is visible to all the clients. Most of time we put our Chrome window open on which our Fiverr account is running, but most of time it is showing offline. For example, we can see that our gig is visible, our gig is open to on our PC, but it's not visible to the clients. We have to check all these issues. Here we will discuss this domain scenario and how can we fix it. For example, here we can search that we are searching for a web development. For we can search that React.js web developer, React.js web developer. Here you can see that the more than 60,000 results are visible to us, but most of them are not online, because here we can mostly client we have to analyze our strategy according to our what type of client is using here. Most of clients uses this online filter to show what is the freelancer is online or not. If the freelancer is online, then he can message to that freelancer because he has his important time and he do not want to waste his time on that gigs that are not online visible. That's why we have to make sure that our gig remains always online and also visible to the client. How can we check that our gig is visible online to us also to the client? The main trick is that we have to open our incognito, then we have to search some keywords on which we have created our gig. For example, here if we have created our gig on this React.js web developer, then we have to search this tag on Fiverr in Incognito. Then we have to put the filter for online. Here you can see that online. Then it will show all the gigs that are online. Here you can see that now almost 4600 plus results are showing that are online visible to all the clients. This is the main reason we have to check all the things that our gig is showing online or not. The second most important tip for all the freelancers that are doing freelancing on Fiverr here is that you must use this extension. The name is Fiverr QuickView. You have to install this extension from Google Chrome extensions, and then after installing it, then we have to enable this extension. After that, every time you search anything on the Fiverr, it can show that the top focus keywords related to this keyword that you have searched. Here you can see that we have searched the React.js web developer. Now the Fiverr Quick View has suggested some the most important, most searched keyword related to our this tag. Here you can see that he suggested us website development, full stack developer, front end developer, and the next to them here you can see that the weightage of their usage. For example, the website development is the most demanding keyword that mostly freelancer and clients are using. Here you can see that this but with the help of this key with the help of this extension, it shows us all the keywords that are being used in the gig. Here you can see that this agency is using these five tags, and in this extension shows how many orders are being queued and how many clients reacted to their gigs, and where from this freelancer is, and how many reviews this account has. It show all these details. This is the first impression what a client has to see from our gig. Our client shows our client sees the gig image, the title, all the reviews on the gig, how many orders have queued on our gig, and how many reviews have our gig, and where we from. These are the some important informations that our client have to see for the very first time when he search anything on the Fiverr. So we make sure that you can use these two tips. I am very sure that your freelancing journey will be very bright if you use these two tips. The first one is to check whether our gig is showing online or not, and the second one is Fiverr Quick View Extension. I have explained both of these two tips, why we use these and how can we use these two tips. If we follow these two instructions, then your freelancing journey will be bright. In the next video, I will also make sure to make such more interesting videos and informative videos that you can learn something valuable and something interesting, something important that will help you to grow in your life and professionally to grow professionally in your life. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you have learned something valuable. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.